The Pallas' cat is probably best known from grumpy cat memes. This fluffy cat looks distinctly annoyed. That's just human projecting. Of course, the Pallas' cat, also known as the manul, actually thrives in fairly difficult conditions, at least by human standards. Pallas' cats roam higher elevations of Central Asia, where they are solitary ambush predators. They are even out hunting when temperatures plunge to -40 degrees Fahrenheit. But Pallas' cats thrive. They have the longest and densest fur of any cat. That fluffy coat makes them appear quite large, but it's an illusion. They are actually no larger than a house cat. They have small ears, which actually protects them from heat loss in frigid conditions. At lower elevations, their immune system is not equipped for the higher number of bacteria and viruses. This makes captive breeding at zoos and wildlife centers, which has been important in other cat conservation efforts, difficult.